Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mike Makers from makersgeneration.net. Today we see a bit of coding. So this is the beginning of series of tutorials on coding. And to start a coding, you don't even need to pay or nothing. It's completely free. So we use a program called Scratch. This is an online program. So it allows you it allows your kids to be able to code from scratch, like the name. And for that, you don't even need to know too much about coding. So that's why I'm here today. So to teach your kids where to go and what to know and the different steps on how to take to be able to code tomorrow, even with hardware. To create video games, stories, and interact with all type of sensors and so on. But we see all of that step by step. So the first step today, you need to have a computer first, for sure, and you need to also have an access to internet. And from there, you go on your browser. So it may be Google Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Myself, I'm using Firefox. So when you type google.com, to that you type Scratch and click on that. So you arrive there. So you see the first thing, Scratch, imaging, program, and share. And make sure you see this website, Scratch MIT. So this is managed by MIT. So it's pretty nice. So they do some updates, pretty often. So when you're, this is where you will be landing. So you can click on create to start or start creating. It's up to you. Um, you wait a couple of seconds, and from there you arrive here. So that's the interface where we code, um, and you're gonna have this small window from there. So that's it show you some tips, but I see all that with you. So it's up to you if you want to look at them or just close it like I do. So we have different windows. So this is the cat. This is the mascot for Scratch. On that side, you see you have three different tabs. So these are the codes. So you use one of them. So you got motions. Look, we see all of that. But this is a program we use with blocks. This is one of the blocks. So you just hold down with the left click and you drop it there. So I see that all that in detail. So you can put one underneath another one. So it goes like that. If you don't want it no more, you put it there. After that, you also have costume. So this is the cat. You can modify it and do so on. And you also have sounds. So you can also play sounds while coding. So let me show you. This is the cat here. So that represents the mascot. So that's all for today. But please stay tuned. So next week we're gonna see a bit more about the code, and how to use the character, change character, also call a sprite, make a sound, and so on. Thank you for tuning in.